Welcome back to Life and Hair. The season is turning and it's time for a wig review. Have you noticed how many new brands and companies there are on Instagram, on YouTube? Wig and hair brands that you're kind of new to. You don't altogether know what you're going to get if you order from them. I've had the experience where I've jumped on to a website and I have seen photographs of models that I've recognized from other brand websites. And I've thought, this doesn't sound like it's going to be a bona fide company. You have no idea what you're going to get. And this company was new to me. This company is called wigshe. I agreed to do a review, but of course I checked out the website. The website was very professional. It had lots of styles and colors that I could choose from, and I also had the opportunity to choose a style and match it or request that it be done in a particular color, but you can have it done customizable. There is a 10% discount that you can apply to your purchase should you like this review and want to give this company a try. If you want a really lovely, comfortable, buttery soft cap that is actually a full lace cap with a full lace front, of course, and if you want to try that real hair, good quality human hair wig that is going to give you the realism and the versatility that you want. I've put a little video here of me taking this piece straight out of the box and just having a good look at what you're actually going to get when you first put this piece on your head. You can see there are no metal stays, there are no ear tabs. They've just used combs in order to secure this wig, but actually what they've also included in this box, as you can see right here, the wig comes in this satin bag. They've included a nifty little wig grip with a lace insert and a very sweet little thank you note with some information about their socials. A very nice little addition to making a purchase from them. The first thing I notice when I take this piece out of its box is the weight of this piece. I wear a lot of synthetic pieces, as you know, and I've reviewed a lot of synthetic pieces, but there's something about the real hair weight of this piece that's really delicious. And for somebody who's follically challenged like myself, it's very gratifying, very satisfying to run my fingers through this buttery soft hair. I asked for a number 8 base, no darker than a number 8, with some caramel blonde highlights. It's not rooted as such. The base runs all the way through, and the highlights are distributed all the way through with a focus here on the front. First impressions, pretty good. Look at this full lace cap. It stretches. The front half of this lace cap, as you can see, is very soft. The density is 120%. There is a stretchy fabric on the back piece, which is going to help secure that piece to your hair. But because the construction isn't like those synthetic pieces or those other wig caps that I've tried before, there are no metal stays, there's no rose lace on the top to give structure, there's no wefts. You need to wear a hair grip with this, and that's something that I noticed when I first tried her on. You need to wear a wig grip that's going to help you get that feeling of security. I just wanted to show you quickly what the box looks like, what the presentation is like, and I hope you'll stay and join me for the actual full review and try on and styling ideas of this piece that I shot a couple of days ago. I really hope you enjoy. Okay, I'm very happy with what I can see. The bottom is lovely, it's feathered, it looks like natural hair growth. Okay, it's got a little bit of box hair here at the top, but I'm not anticipating that there's going to be a problem in getting rid of that. I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to cut the lace, adhere the front of the wig to my skin, and put a little bit of heat on her and see what we've got. All I have done is just straighten the hair because I want to show you the shape of this cut when it goes over my shoulders. I think the density is really natural. The colour, the way the highlights don't start quite at the root, is really natural also, gives it such a nice effect. It's really nicely shaped. I'd be very happy wearing this like this. I think it's fantastic. The quality is very good. It's amazingly comfortable and secure. These are all really important things. If you're wearing your hair and you need to wear it on a daily basis, or even if you're just wearing it on a night out, nobody wants to feel preoccupied that something's going to go amiss or not look right with their piece. And I really feel that this actually can give you the security that you're after. Personally, I would have it like this. There's something about shiny, glossy, natural looking straight hair. It really accentuates the shape of your face. It highlights your cheekbones. It highlights your eyes. You can play around with your lip colour in a really nice way. I love this look. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chance. I'm going to put a little bit of a beach wave in this. I just hope that I can get it straight again afterwards because that's really what I want. And incidentally, there's no shedding here. It's just that I'd cut the lace, you see. I'd cut the lace stops here. And I've put some It Stays all around the front. I may actually decide to use lace tape, which would just adhere this in a more secure way. Because simply because It Stays is actually water soluble, and seeing as we've come into autumn, I'm expecting a little bit of rain, so I don't want to be caught out. I have put in the most gentle beach wave that I could because I'm going to be straightening it out again. I just really like the cut of this piece. You can go to the hairdresser and you can change it, you can get it layered. I just like it the way it is. Is that a crime? It's so easy to grab the hair, it feels like your own natural hair. There's nothing about it that is awkward or difficult or doesn't want to cooperate with you. And of course, the most important point, it's very natural. It's very natural, very soft, very easy to work with. I really like it. Thank you, wigshe, for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to showcase this piece. If you click on the @wigshe in the title of this video, you will be able to go straight to their YouTube channel and watch the other reviews and visit their website. I love this, and I really hope that watching this review will give you the confidence that you might be looking for to embrace hair wearing and to feel that you're looking your best, no matter what your age or what stage of hair loss you're at. But it's been really great to review this piece, and I will see you again soon.